The other day, my mom, she totally told me, clean up your room, Annie. I'm thinking, what are you talking about? It's already so clean. That's what I'm thinking to myself. And, well, there were those clothes that were on my chair that I threw there a couple days before, but that's normal, right? It was so clean. Well, okay, there was something hanging from my light. I never did figure out what that was. It's still there. I gotta get that down. I forgot all about it. Oh, and there was that really, really, hard, crusty, so stinky cheese. It smelled, it smelled like, never mind. Let's not go there. Old Smelly Pizza. I love Old Smelly Pizza. I'll eat it. Bring it right over here. I love how my breath smells afterwards. Keeps the flies away. Really, you should try it. Give it a try. So anywho, my mom wanted me to clean up my bedroom, and she wanted me to put everything back where it belongs. Which, I really don't even understand that, because for me, when everything's all over the floor, I know where it is. I can find it easier. But she wanted everything back where it belongs. So, after she left, I got this brilliant idea. Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. I thought to myself, what if I put everything in the closet? Easy peasy, right? Great idea. Brilliant. Did I mention brilliant? Brilliant. Anyway, so that's what I did. I put everything in the closet, but you know what? It's harder than I thought it would be to close the door because I have a lot of stuff. So I had everything in there I'm trying, and then, it was really hard. But I finished just in time when my mom came in and she's like, Annie, your room looks so great. And then she asked me a question. She said, Annie, you put everything back where it belongs, right? So I'm like, yeah, I put everything back where it belongs. Yeah. Annie, you make my horns hurt. Don't lie to your mom. Oh, my aching horns. Ouch, 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 ouch. So then I was totally looking. Hey, wow, the closet door burst open and all this stuff. What? Oh, there's the rest of that stinky cheese. Oh, I was wondering where that hat was. Oh, that just stinks. That's a lot of cheese. You know what I'm saying? Really stinks. Ooh, whoo, whoo, whoo. So my mom said, Annie, I asked you to clean your room and put everything back where it belongs, not put everything in the closet. And I asked you if you did that. And you said you did. And it makes me so sad that you lied to me. In Leviticus 19:11 in the Bible, it tells us, do not steal or cheat or lie. So she asked me, Annie, if someone lies to you, do you feel like that's someone you can believe? Someone you can trust? And I was like, whoa, back up the bus. Back up the bus. I gotta think about this. And then I thought, you know what? It is hard to believe or trust someone when they lie to you. And I told my mom I was sorry that I lied to her. God is so right. We got to tell the truth and not lie. So my mom told me she wanted me to clean up my room and put everything back where it belonged. And she asked me again, are you going to put everything back where it belongs? And I told her, yes, I promise, Mom. I'm going to put everything back where it belongs. Yes, I will. So, after my mom left, I started cleaning my room the right way, putting everything back where it belongs. I noticed, though, there was nothing under my bed at all, except a lot of room for lots of stuff. So I started thinking to myself, wouldn't it be great to just put everything under there? Easy peasy. Oh, choices, choices, choices.
Oh, Annie, you know the saying. Two wrongs make a triangle. No, don't make a triangle. No, that's not it. Two wrongs, the more the merrier. Oh, that's not it either. Two wrongs, are more than one wrong. Oh, that's not it either. Don't do any more wrong. That's it. I'm brilliant. Thank you very much.
Oh, and then I remembered. I told my mom I would put everything back where it belongs. Ooh, do not steal or cheat or lie. Oh, so I put everything back where it belongs because you know what? I want people to be able to trust me. I want them to know that I tell the truth. So everything went right back where it belongs. What? Except for one thing. I did forget that thing that's hanging up there. I wonder what that is. What is that?
Hey, be sure to watch for more Totally Annie videos, 'cause you know that Annie, she's gonna do some more crazy stuff. You can count on it. Till then, be sure to hug your cow.